Welcome to Cooking Americana, great meals on a budget. Today we're doing Southern biscuits and sausage gravy. This is what you'll need and what it will cost you. The recipe is in the video description. Start out by crumbling that sausage right into that pan. Get all of it in there and cook it until it's nice and brown. Put it in a bowl. If you have any of that sausage grease in the pan, just set it aside. We can use it here when we start making the gravy. So if you have some sausage grease in that pan, use that. If not, use butter. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps, y'all. So add that flour, whisk that in, keep whisking it because it's going to build what we call a roux. It's a blonde roux that we're doing here. Once you get all that flour in, go ahead and let it cook a couple of minutes until it's kind of a light amber. Then go ahead and add your heavy cream. We're going to do that slowly while whisking, and it's going to thicken up real nice. Just whisk it around. Let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes, just like that, and it'll get nice and thick. Go ahead and season with that salt and fresh ground pepper. I mean, that pepper's a big part of this, by the way. And I like using fresh ground. If I can get it nice and coarse ground, that's even better. Stir that seasoning in. Let it cook. You're going to bring it to a simmer. Let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes stirring. Now change to a silicone spatula here just because it's easier to get the stuff off the side. You're going to stir it pretty regularly through this. And if I tell you what, if that will leave a track on your spatula like that and doesn't move, you know it's thick. Now we're adding that sausage in that we've set aside. We had it in a bowl over off to the side, yes sir. Stir that in, cut those biscuits in half. We cooked those while we were doing the gravy. Get 2 biscuits, makes 4, and just ladle that gravy right on top. Get it nice and covered. I threw a little bit of parsley on it to make it pretty and topped it with some more pepper. And then ring that dinner bell because dinner is served, or breakfast, depending on when you want to eat this. Really yummy. Now, this is a meal for 8 people for $11. You can't beat that. I'd like to thank you for joining me for this biscuits and gravy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It does really help me out. And as always, y'all have a blessed day.